All right, so good evening, everyone. Today we are in class 10, right? So this is the last class for data analytics and visualization using Excel. And we are here to present our projects to the class. And yeah, amazing work. Yeah, thanks for everyone, those who shared your project work and working on the weekend too. Very much impressive. And congratulations. Yes, definitely. All right. So this is going to be our agenda today. We'll start with the opening remarks. Then we'll get into the final project presentation. So you can start presenting one by one. And then challenges faced in the project work. You can share the challenges that you faced when you were working in this project and the lessons learned along the way. So that would be helpful for others also. And then once everyone complete the project presentation, we'll look into how to climb the Providence Public Library Digital Analytics badge. Okay, I hope everyone would have received today morning, and definitely we will. I will help you how to set up the account and then upload the project work and as well as the linear regression workbook and then climb the digital badge. We'll walk over that. And then if possible, if you need any help in setting up the account or something, definitely you can feel free and check with me. I can take you to the breakout room and work with you. And today, whatever the project that you are presenting, you can, if you feel that you want to modify something or change something, you have still time, almost 10 days time. Today is first, and then due is 6/10. So you can upload before June 10th. All right. So if you want to work on your new project also, you have a 10 days time. You can definitely do that. If someone feels that I want to improve my project, I want to better my project, yes, definitely you can do that. And then the linear regression workbook already that we had in our class, you'll be downloading that and completing the 4 sheets and upload that for the digital badge. I will talk about if you need any help on that as well. And then, yeah, there is a good progress in Jasper Active. And if anyone needs any help on Jasper Active lessons or something, still we have 1 month time. At any point of time, you can check with me and definitely we will work on that as well. All right. And then, so once we done this, what next? We have to switch gears and move to Tableau. So Excel, we completed the data visualization part and the analytics part. So now we need to get into the Tableau, another software, and how we can visualize and analyze data using Tableau. So that is going to be our next part of the program. We are going to start that next Monday. And we have 7 classes for that. As usual, 4 classes will be the class instruction discussion. And the last 2 classes will be project preparation work. And finally, we'll have the presentation. We are expecting DLT to visit our class during the Tableau presentation. All right, as a guest. All right. So we started with Excel core, Jasper Active, right? We started with that. And then we get into the career readiness program using a North Star digital literacy program. And then again, we get into the technology part, that is data analytics and visualization. We spent almost, today is the 10th class, and we spent 9 classes for that. So 3 hours is spending every week, right? Totally 6 hours a week. It's not an easy job. I really congratulate everyone, in spite of your work schedule and family, you made it. Yes, we are here to present our project today. And just to get a quick review, we started with the data analytics. What is data analytics? Just an introduction we started, right? So data is everywhere. So we are making decision based on data. Now it's not just like assumption or everything, everything is fact based with respect to the data. And then how to collect the data and clean the data. With respect to the Excel, we discussed intermediate and advanced skills. And I'm so happy to see most of the projects that you are presenting are geared towards the pivot table, that is the advanced skill, that summarizing the data, using the pivot table, creating the chart. I'm so impressed seeing those projects. Thank you so much for everyone doing that. And then we also looked into the statistical part like mean, median, mode. And then there we analyzed 2 different charts, right? Histogram and scatter plots. And finally, we end up with doing the project work. And most of you started doing individual project work with your own data set. Very much appreciate you. And someone needs some project guidance, that's okay, you got it. And now you have 10 days time. 6/10 is the last date. If you want to do a better project, definitely you can do that. Okay, you can do that and then you can upload that. All right, so now we are here for our project presentation. So it's the time for data navigators, that is you all, to start to talk. All right, you are going to present now. So once you are going to present your name, and we know your name, but just your name, and then the questions that you post for the research topic, and then the data source that you used and what insight that you gained from this project. Right. Along the way, you can also talk about what challenges that you faced, what lessons that you learned that you'd like to share with the class. So you can tell about that. Okay. So for example, we faced issues like cleaning up the data in the morning cohort. So the complete system, the format, everything was a British unit and they are working in a different unit. So that was a great challenge that they faced and they explained that. Similarly, you can explain that what are the challenges that you faced and how you approach that, and still how you can better your fine tune your projects. So like that you can talk. And then I'm going to walk through after that presentation, how to climb the digital badge, upload the workbook, linear regression workbook, and things like that. And we know what next. We are going to talk about the Tableau part. So that is going to be the next part. In the digital badge, once you log into the system, you will be seeing business intelligence fundamental pathways. Under that, you will be uploading your Excel data analysis. So there is a pledge button. So you will be clicking this pledge button. I will log in with my account and I will show you. Okay, I will do that. And then under Data Navigator 2.0 pathways, we'll be climbing linear regression and then 2 Tableau digital badges. So this is going to be the first job before 6/10. Okay, June 10th, we need to climb these 2 badges. Next is the Tableau. All right. As I said, we started with the Excel for data analysis, and then we discussed few functions, formulas related to data analytics and visualization. Then we get into a little bit of intermediate to advanced Excel, learning about what is a pivot table and how we can create charts out of that. And then we touch base with the statistics. And now we are going to get into the Tableau part. All right. So this is going to be the schedule for the Tableau. So we start by next Monday, June 6th, and then we finish June 29th. So June 29th is our final class for this Data Navigators program. And the 29th is our project finale using the Tableau. Yes, we need your support to continue this program, not only this program, any program, Microsoft Office specialization program, or cybersecurity program, or any learning circle. So these programs are running through a fund by various organizations, right? So PPL is getting fund for that. And then they want to help the community, the adult members who are looking for the job or want to switch over for the job. They want to give this education at free of cost. For that, they need definitely the fund. So they created the petition so that it could be, our voice would be here to anyone. And then everyone signed the petition, but still we need few more to sign up the petition. I will share this information tomorrow with email. Please go ahead and give your support to us. All right, just sign that. It's an online petition only, just your name, email address, and your zip code, and then that should be fine. All right, so this is the detail about that. So once I share this link, you can click this link, and then you'll be entering the few details, your name, and then there is a section called under the adult education program. You have to type this one, Providence Public Library /RAFLI. So I will share this info with you tomorrow, so that please visit this link. And then so far we have completed 208 signatures. So we just need 42 petitions to be filed. All right. So 250. So we definitely need your support and help in this so that we can continue our course, not only this course, any course that PPL is starting for our next cohort. All right. Perfect. So again, thank you everyone for being here today. So let's start. Now I'm going to stop this recording.